Hello, welcome to my review. Today we're going to be talking about the RK Royal KLUDGE S108 keyboard. First thing you notice is the design. It's got this retro typewriter look with round keycaps, which is honestly really nice, makes it stand out right away. It looks cool on the desk, but most importantly, it feels different when typing. Now, the keycaps, really clicky. You get that classic tactile feedback, which is great if you like hearing and feeling every key press. There is a detachable wrist rest included, which actually helps during long typing or gaming sessions. It's not anything fancy, but it does reduce some strain. If you want to tuck it away, all you have to do is just simply fold it back and you can just set it down, or you can flip it out and you can utilize that as well. Performance-wise, it is a full 108 keyboard, anti-ghosting, so every key registers even when you're pressing multiple keys at once. Useful for gaming or fast typing. It's also plug and play, so it pretty much works with any system. You just use this USB and you plug it into that system and it'll pretty much go. It's also fully RGB with a ton of lighting modes. You can customize colors, brightness, speed. The side lighting adds a little bit more flair, especially in darker setups. So really cool. So overall, it's a solid keyboard if you like clicky switches and unique designs. I very much will be using this a lot when I'm gaming. I definitely love the clicky sound. So go get your Royal KLUDGE S108 keyboard.